Welcome. As you settle in this evening, allow yourself to leave the worries of the day behind. This guided meditation is designed to create a space for you to release anxiety, cultivate peace, and foster overall wellness as you drift off to sleep. Imagine yourself taking a deep, cleansing breath, inhaling for a count of 4, feeling your belly gently rise. Hold that breath for a count of 4, allowing any tension to melt away. Now, exhale slowly for a count of 8, releasing any lingering worries or stresses with each breath. Find a comfortable position, whether lying down or seated. If lying down feels best, arrange yourself on your back with pillows supporting your head and knees. If you choose to sit, find a chair that allows your back to be straight and your feet to rest comfortably on the floor. The most important thing is to find a position where you can fully relax and let go. Now, soften your gaze or gently close your eyes, whichever feels more comfortable for you. Let your body settle in, feeling the weight of your form supported by whatever surface you're on. Take another slow, deep breath, and begin this journey towards a peaceful night's sleep. Now, bring your awareness to your toes. Wiggle them gently, feeling any tension release. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine your toes softening like warm sand on a beautiful beach. Feel the tension melt away, replaced by a sense of deep relaxation. Next, move your awareness to your feet. Flex your ankles a few times, then release. With another deep inhale, feel the tension in your feet ease and loosen on the exhale. Imagine them becoming heavy and grounded, like anchors connecting you to the earth. Shift your focus to your calves. Take a moment to clench them, feeling the muscles tighten. Now, as you exhale slowly, release the tension. Feel your calves soften, becoming light and relaxed. Let's move on to your thighs. Squeeze your quadriceps muscles for a few seconds, then let go with a long, slow exhale. Feel the tightness melt away, replaced by a sense of ease and lightness. Imagine your thighs becoming pleasantly heavy, sinking comfortably into whatever supports them. Bring your awareness to your hips. Gently rotate your hips in circles, feeling any tension release. Now, take a deep breath in. As you exhale, imagine all tension in your hips dissolving completely. Feel your hips become loose and relaxed, allowing your lower back to naturally flatten against the surface you're on. Now, imagine yourself continuing deeper into the serene forest. The soft light of the setting sun filters through the canopy of leaves, casting an ethereal glow on the forest floor. Breathe in the crisp, clean air, infused with the sweet scent of wildflowers and damp earth. Listen closely. You can hear the gentle rustling of leaves as a gentle breeze whispers through the towering trees. In the distance, a symphony of birdsong fills the air, a calming melody that soothes the soul. As you walk further, you stumble upon a clearing, revealing a tranquil pond bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun. The crystal-clear water reflects the vibrant colors of the sky, creating a breathtaking scene of serenity. The surface of the pond is undisturbed, except for the occasional ripple caused by a gentle breeze or a playful insect flitting across its surface. Find a comfortable spot on the bank of the pond and take a seat. Allow yourself to be mesmerized by the tranquil beauty around you. Feel the cool grass beneath your fingertips and the warmth of the sun on your skin. Now, close your eyes and imagine all your worries and anxieties as dark clouds hovering in your mind. One by one, gently pick up these clouds and bring them to the edge of the pond. As you hold them over the still water, watch them dissolve and disappear without a trace. Imagine the water of the pond cleansing and purifying your thoughts, leaving behind a sense of peace and clarity. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any remaining worries or anxieties, allowing them to dissolve into the tranquil pond. Feel the calmness of the environment seep into your very being, replacing any tension with a sense of deep relaxation. Allow yourself to sink deeper into this state of tranquility. Here, amidst the beauty of the forest and the peace of the pond, repeat these affirmations silently to yourself, or whisper them gently if that feels more comfortable. I am safe and at peace. My mind is calm and clear. I release negativity and embrace positivity. With each breath, I feel deeper relaxation. I am surrounded by love and light. I am safe and at peace. My mind is calm and clear. I release negativity and embrace positivity. With each breath, I feel deeper relaxation. I am surrounded by love and light. I am safe and at peace. My mind is calm and clear. I release negativity and embrace positivity. With each breath, I feel deeper relaxation. I am surrounded by love and light. I am safe and at peace. My mind is calm and clear. I release negativity and embrace positivity. With each breath, I feel deeper relaxation. I am surrounded by love and light. I am safe and at peace. My mind is calm and clear. I release negativity and embrace positivity. With each breath, I feel deeper relaxation. I am surrounded by love and light. I am safe and at peace. My mind is calm and clear. I release negativity and embrace positivity. With each breath, I feel deeper relaxation. I am surrounded by love and light. I am safe and at peace. My mind is calm and clear. I release negativity and embrace positivity. With each breath, I feel deeper relaxation. I am surrounded by love and light. I am safe and at peace. My mind is calm and clear. I release negativity and embrace positivity. With each breath, I feel deeper relaxation. I am surrounded by love and light. I am safe and at peace. My mind is calm and clear. I release negativity and embrace positivity. With each breath, I feel deeper relaxation. I am surrounded by love and light. Feel the calming energy of these affirmations washing over you, soothing your mind and body. As you repeat them, truly believe in their power and allow them to replace any lingering negativity with a sense of peace and well-being. I am worthy of rest and relaxation. Deep sleep comes easily to me. I wake up feeling refreshed and renewed. I trust my body to heal and restore itself during sleep. Tomorrow is a new day filled with possibilities. Let the calming rhythm of your breath and the positive affirmations guide you towards a peaceful and restorative sleep. There is no pressure to perform perfectly. Simply allow yourself to be present in the moment and enjoy the serenity of this experience. The gentle light of the setting sun begins to fade, casting long shadows across the forest floor. As darkness slowly descends, feel a sense of peace and tranquility envelop you. Focus on your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and exhale. Imagine your breath carrying away any remaining tension, leaving your body feeling heavy and relaxed. With each exhale, feel yourself sinking deeper into the comfort of your position. Imagine your worries and anxieties melting away like snowflakes on a warm day. Your eyelids may begin to feel heavy. It's perfectly all right if they flutter closed or if you drift off to sleep at any point. There's no need to fight it. Allow yourself to surrender completely to the feeling of deep relaxation. Every muscle in your body feels heavy and at ease. Your mind is calm and quiet. The tranquil scene of the forest and the peaceful pond remain with you, a reminder of the serenity you can access anytime you need it. If you happen to wake up during the night, simply take a few deep breaths, repeat your favorite affirmation, and allow yourself to drift back to sleep. Sleep now, and know that you'll wake up feeling refreshed and renewed, ready to greet a new day with a sense of peace and well-being. And as you continue to relax deeply, remember, there's no pressure to stay awake for the entire duration. If sleep finds you at any point, simply allow yourself to drift off peacefully. This meditation is here for you whenever you need it. As you slumber, hold on to the feeling of peace and serenity you cultivated here tonight. May your sleep be deep and restful. May you wake up feeling refreshed and renewed. Thank you for joining me on this guided meditation journey. Sweet dreams.